Hello all, I am back once again with one more interesting puzzle. So in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the famous locker code puzzle. I hope you will enjoy it. In this video I'm going to explain how to solve the puzzles related to cracking the locker code puzzle. So here is one such question where some hints are given about a 3-digit locker code. So now I'm going to explain the steps. How do you solve this? So there are 5 hints given. And so what we'll do first, we will list down the digits which are involved in this puzzle. So I'm writing it down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. So these are the digits which are involved in this lock. So now first step what you're gonna do is try eliminating the digits which are not part of the code. So we'll start with the fourth hint now. What does the fourth hint says? It says all the digits are wrong. So it means you can easily eliminate these three. 7, 3, and 8 can be eliminated straight away. So now the puzzle is simple. So it contains only among 0, 1, 2, 4, and 6. So now if you observe carefully the hint 1 and hint 2, what does it say? So hint 1 says one digit is right and it is in its correct place. And second hint says one digit is right but it is in wrong place. It means 6 cannot be the answer, because if 6 is the answer then it violates the second rule. So the digit should be there in both, but the place of the digit should be changed. So from this one we can eliminate 6. So now we are left out with only 4 digits. Out of those 4, 3 will be a part of this lock. So now from first and second hint we have eliminated number 6. But one more thing to observe is from the first hint 6 is eliminated, 8 is also eliminated. So only thing that is left is 2. And it says one digit in its right place. So our locker will look like something like this: dash, dash, and 2, because the digit is in its right place. So 2 will occupy the third place. Now looking into the third hint, what it says: 2 digits are right here. Means 2 digits are correct, but 6 is already eliminated, so one more digit has to be 0. And it says both are in wrong place. So 2 we know it's in the third place and 0 cannot be in the second place. So it means 0 has to come in the first place. So now my locker will look something like this: 0, dash, and 2. So we know 0 and 2 are part of the code, and we also figured out their places. Now we are left out with 1 and 4. So from the fifth hint, what do we get? 380, one digit is right. So we have figured out that 0 is the right one, so it doesn't give much hint. So we have to go back to our second hint. What does it say? One digit is right, but in its wrong place. It means it can be 1 and 4, but here we have to find out based on the place. It says it's in its wrong place. It means if 1 is involved, it cannot come at the center. And if 4 is involved, it cannot come at the last place. We know only center place is empty or available now, and the last place occupied by 2. So 4 cannot occupy last place, it can come in the middle, and 1 cannot be the answer because if 1 comes, it is violating this rule. So the answer for this puzzle will be 0, 4, and 2. So we'll move on to the next puzzle. So this puzzle is almost similar to the previous puzzle, but I would say it's a little bit complex. So we'll see how to solve this. So the method what we follow is same. First we'll list down the digits involved in this puzzle. So here you can see there are more digits involved, but the procedure is same. And what is the first step? We'll see the simplest hint, that is out of 5, 7, and 8 nothing is correct, so we can straight away eliminate these options. So now we'll go to the first and second hint. So this hint is same as the previous puzzle. So as said in the last puzzle, we can straight away eliminate the common digit between these two. So we are eliminating 2 number. So now next one. From hint 2, what we can get? It says one of this number is correct, but we have eliminated two of those three numbers. 2 and 5 are eliminated. So the only possible left out is 4, but it cannot occur at the center. So the possible options are it can occur in the beginning or it can occur in the end. So these are the two possibilities that are possible for this code. So now we'll look at the third hint. What does it say? It says two numbers are correct, but they are in wrong place. So we already know 4 is one of the number, and it says 4 cannot occur in the beginning. So from this, what you can assume is the code has to be dash, dash, and 4. It means the position of 4 is fixed and it will occur in its last place. So there is one more number out of 6 and 3 are possible, but at this situation we can't conclude which is that number and what is that position. So we have to analyze further. Now we'll go to the fifth hint. What does it says? It says one number is correct among them. So we know 5 is already eliminated. So 6 or 9 are the remaining ones. So here also we are not able to conclude. We can just write it as either 6 or 9. And from the first clue, we know one number is correct. We don't know which one. We can just write it as 1 or 9. And from the third clue, we know it's 3 or 6. But we missed something. What is that? From the first one number is correct and well placed. So we know the third position is fixed by 4. So digit 1 cannot come there. So we can eliminate that. And 9 has to be there in the code. What is the position of 9? It is correct. So it will occur in the center. It means the code has to be 0. Sorry, first place we don't know. It's unknown. And second digit is 9. Third digit is 4. So since we have these three true conditions now, so if 9 has occurred, it means 6 cannot occur. So 6 will not occur. Position of 9 is confirmed. And one more thing to notice, if 9 occurs, 1 also can't occur. So these three are the true statements which are derived from the hints 3 and 5. And now, what is the only possibility? Only possibility is 3. So we'll fill that digit with 3 and we'll also cross verify. So as per the third hint, it can have 2 digits among these 3. Those are 3 and 4, and they should not be in the correct place. It means 3 can be either first or second. It is matching with this, and 4 has to be the second and third. So the right answer for this code is 3, 9, and 4. If you have understood the method which I said in solving the last two puzzles, then you can solve these kind of puzzles on your own. So here is one more that kind of puzzles where 4 digits are involved, and you can try to solve it with me. So first what we do, we list down all the available digits: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So which is the hint which we have to target first? It is this hint where it says it has no correct digits. So we can eliminate these 4. So what is next step? We have to see the first hint. What it says, it has 2 correct digits but neither in the correct place. So we know 2 and 6 are eliminated. So remaining options are 5 and 7. But we know 5 and 7, but we don't know their positions. But we can mark them as correct because they will be present in our code. So now looking at the second hint, what does it say? Has one correct digit. So it has only one correct digit. So we know 5 is a correct digit. So it means 0, 4, 1. All 3 can be eliminated. So now we are left out with 9. So 9 has to be present in the code. But are we missing something? Yes, we missed the one of the digits that is not present in any of the codes. So now looking at this, we can assume that 3 has to be present in our code. So our code will be having digits 3, 5, 7, and 9. But now what we have to figure is the order. Order matters. So from the fourth hint, what we can assume? It has 2 correct digits and both are in the correct place. It means the locker code will be dash 7 dash and 9. So we have to fill 3 and 5 in the remaining two places. So from the first and second hint, it means 5 cannot occur in the third place or fourth place. And second and fourth place are already filled. So only place left out for 5 is the first place. So as we know all the 4 digits, and it says all the 4 digits in the key are different. So it means all 4 has to be unique, and they have to be part of this number of digits. So the number has to be 5739. So the right answer for this puzzle is 5739. So I hope the method which I said to solve these kind of puzzles are clear and you will be able to solve within a fraction of seconds. Okay, here is one more puzzle. I will not solve it here. You can try it as a part of your homework, and you can comment the answers that you get in the comment box below. Also, as I said in my first video, please like, comment and share the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have some interesting puzzles, then you can drop it in my email id agbh1894@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.